Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your META Ray-Bans to the mobile device. If you want to connect your META Ray-Ban to a mobile device that you have, because it only can be connected to a mobile device, not to a computer, of course, and you need to connect it to actually get the files and to synchronize it, you'll need to get the META AI app on your Android or iPhone. You can get it from the Play Store, or on iPhones it'll be App Store, and search for META AI. You'll see the app. I already have it installed, but if you don't have it, you'll need to click on install, of course, just like any other app, and open the META AI. Now I'm gonna click on next, and you can allow notifications, you don't have to. Click on add device. I'm already logged into META AI. If you're not, then you'll need to log in, of course, and if you don't have an account, you'll be able to create it. And also you'll need to allow searching and finding nearby devices in this app. Once all of that is done, go to add device, then select your Ray-Bans. You can see I have these first ones, so I'll get those. Then I'll put the Ray-Bans inside of the case. Let's close the case, and you can see there's green light, and there should be a green light, because if it's orange, then it means that the glasses are charging at the moment, and if they are charging, you won't really be able to go to pairing mode. Also, so make sure they were plugged into power until there's green light. Once you press on the button on the back, you'll see the light. If it's green, then it's great. Also, the glasses need to be enabled, and to enable them, to turn them on, make sure that on the left side, this switch is this is how it's disabled. It has this red dot. If it's on, then it doesn't have this red dot. Now I'm gonna put them back into the box so we can actually put them in pairing mode. If you don't have a case, you can click on no case. Maybe there's an option to do it. I'll also record a video on how to connect them without a case, if there's an option of doing that. I've never connected without a case, so I can't really tell you that right now. But yeah, if it's green, it's not really green right now, but let's try pressing and holding on the back button for 5 seconds anyway. And yeah, it worked. If it didn't, make sure they are charged and that they are turned on. Click on blue LED turned on, and click on this META device, of course. I think I'll just place it right here. Click on pair and connect on a notification if it asks you to do that. Now I'm gonna click on pair. Let's see if it works, because I can't really see the blue light anymore, but it says activating, so it's probably connected. And I'm connecting it for the first time, so like it may take a moment longer than it would if you were connecting it for a second time or stuff like that. Yeah, you can skip the tutorials or continue setup. I think I'm gonna continue the setup. Let's put the device on. Let's put the glasses on. I'll put them on. Okay. Now press the capture button once to take a photo. I did it. Now to start recording, you'll need to press and hold the capture button until you hear a sound. And yeah, now I hear it. Also, I see a LED light inside, and there's an LED light outside. If you want to stop recording, press the capture button again. Now I did it, so I think it should go to the next one. Okay, it's fine now. Now the touchpad is on the right side of the glasses. Once you tap on it, it'll play music. You can swipe forwards to turn it up or swipe backwards to turn it down, and then tap the touchpad to pause the music. It's really great. And you can now click on next. You can enable voice controls. I'm gonna skip that, I'm gonna do that later. And you can share additional data with Meta if you want, or click on don't share. Now there are some more information about respecting people's privacy, not hiding the LED, because if you hide the LED, recording won't work anyway, because it detects if the LED was hidden. And also make sure to not to use features that could distract your attention while, for example, driving. Now you can connect to music apps and enable emails from Meta. I think I'm gonna connect my music app, or I'll do this later. I'll do a video on it most probably. And you can see now I'm connected. I can also go to import to see the pictures. As I click on continue, allow all access, you can see there are some pictures on the device. And yeah, basically that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.